Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Profim Evaluation Puzzle. As usual, in this episode, I will log into my funded Nest account, which is a trial account, and I will show you each of the trade that I took and how I passed the account. But before I dive in, don't forget that in this episode, these are just Profim trial accounts. However, these are the same trade that I traded on my funded account as well. But in order for me to be able to feel free and show you all the details, that is one of the major reasons why I used to decide to open a trial account. So let's dive right in. So this is my funded Nest dashboard. As you can see, take note of the login details. So, and this is what I achieve, and the same thing I achieve on this account, I can also achieve it on any profile. But one thing is, the same trade I'm trading on this trial account are the same trade I'm trading on my funded account. But for the purpose of this video, so that I will be able to feel free to share all the details with you, that is one of the major reasons why I usually open a trial account. But the same trade I'm trading on this account are the same trade that I am trading on my funded account as well. So as you can see, this is what I was able to achieve on this account. So if you have a profile account of 50k, the target profit for you to qualify for the stage 1 is $4,000, which is 8%, while some profile used to request for 10%. But with funded Nest, the requested percentage to pass the stage 1 is 8%, which is $4,000, and I reached that target within 2 trading days. So reaching this target within 2 trading days is not the most important thing. At times, it may take me more than this. At times, I may have some consecutive losses, but I used to recover all those losses and still pass the account. I think you understand. But market condition at times used to determine how fast you will pass the profile. At times, market condition might favor your strategy. So in those times, if you are trading a profile account, you might be lucky and pass it within 2 or 3 days without taking any unnecessary risk. I repeat, without taking any unnecessary risk. So because this trade you see here, I passed this account within 2 days without over trading, without over leveraging. So let's dive right in to this is the details of the account, as you can see. So let's dive right into the account overview so that you can see more details about the account. So this is the account overview. This is the account overview. I traded about 15 trade in total on this account. The average losing trade is about $34, while the average winning trade is about $322. So aside from that, uh, my best trade, I won $2,400, and in my worst trade coming, this is my best trade. So there used to be a worst trade as well. So excuse me, so this is the best trade. So I will soon see the worst. Okay, this is the worst trade. My worst trade, I lose $62, and in my best trade, I win $2,400. So, and these are all the trade that I place on this account, the date and the details of all the trade, including the winnings and the losing trade. So these are all the details. These are all the details. So these are all the details of the trade I place on this account, including the lot size. I want you to take note of the lot size. This is where you will know that I am not taking unnecessary risk. I am not taking unnecessary risk, because trading with a one lot size on a funded nest and have a lot size is a moderate risk, because I'm risking less than 1% per trade. I'm risking less than 1% per trade. And let's check the analysis as well. So as you can see, in our last episode, the profile that I passed, immediately after I started trading, I went into a minimal drawdown, but I was able to recover from the drawdown. But the case is different here. So immediately after I started trading on this account, the account went up and I passed. That is what I said at the beginning of this video, that market condition at times may vary, and market condition at the time you are trading a profile will determine how fast you will pass the account. Imagine if the market condition is not that favorable when you started trading and you went into drawdown. You will need some times to recover from the drawdown, and for God so good, majority of the profile have now removed the maximum passing day. So we have no reason to be rushed. If you pass the account within few days without over leveraging, good luck to you. And if you take more days before you pass the account, the main goal is to make sure that you don't fail the evaluation. You don't fail the evaluation is the main goal, not the numbers of days it took you to pass the account. No, just make sure you don't fail it. Take your time and make sure you don't fail the evaluation. And that has always been my target as well. But because of the market condition, at times the market condition might favor my strategy. So, and in those cases, I may pass within a day, within 2 days. And in some cases, it may take me like weeks, maybe 1 week, 2 week, or 3 week before I pass some profile accounts. So let's move on. So let me show you the details of my MT5 as well. As you can see, this is the same login details. This is the same login details. As you can see that the login account number is the same with that of a funded nest. And if you can see the balance as well, I'm coming, I want to show you the balance as well. So if you can see the balance as well, I want to show you the balance so that you will be sure that, so check the balance, take a look at the balance. This is the balance. The balance here is a $54,125.26, and it is the same with the details on my MT5. As you can see, everything is accurate. Everything is accurate. So both the account number, trading account number, and the balance is accurate with what is on funded nest. So, and another thing is let me show you the history on the MT5. These are the history of the trade I took. These are the history of the trade I took. So luckily here, I won majority of the trade. I won majority of the trade. Out of 15 trades, I only lose two. I lose two. And in some cases, my losing trade might be more than winning trade. But at the end of the day, I will still recover and pass. I've have a situation whereby I lose like 60% of my trade, but because I'm using a good risk reward ratio, if you have been into forex or an experienced trader, you will have know what risk reward ratio is all about and the importance of risk reward ratio in forex. So because my risk reward ratio are always higher, so even if I'm losing 60% of my trade, 30% and 40% will still be good enough for me to cover up all the loss and pass the account. So, but in this situation, I win majority of the trade. You know, I'm always sincere with you. So I win majority of the trade here. So, and I pass the account within 2 trading days. So I even decided to use my day trading strategy on this account. That is why you'd see me taking some little profits. Assuming I used my swing trading strategy, I wouldn't have took all these little profits. As you can see, I will wait for my trade to move in a very reasonable profit like this before I close it. But this very day, I decided to use my day trading strategy. As you know that I am using like 3 different strategy, and all these strategy are winning strategy. But you know, one will be more profitable than another. So that is that. And let me show you the trading reports on MT5 as well. So this is the trading report on MT5 as well. So I love MT5. I love MT5. So I can trade on any platform, be it MT5, MT4, C Trader, Nj Trader, DX Trader, whatever. I can trade on any platform, but I love MT5 most. So these are the trade. And thank you for watching. I think that is all about this episode. So, and don't forget, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. You know, I'm always active and I'm always interactive. I will surely reply your message. I will surely reply your comments. If you have any comment or any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you are facing any challenges passing your Profame account, feel free to DM me so that I will put you through and guide you on how to easily pass Profame account. And if you have any forex account, maybe which you want me to manage for you, I'm also managing account for people, be it a broker account or whatever. So just DM me and let's talk. All right, thank you for watching and see you next time.